Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to create another account in Mobile Legends. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the first option is just by switching it right here via settings. Okay, you can go ahead over to the top left, tap on your profile, then go ahead over to account, and then just go ahead and tap on switch account. Okay, tap on it, and then once done, go ahead and select from one of these options. Just make sure that you go ahead and use Google Play, Facebook, or TikTok, or whatever right here that is not currently linked to your main account. For example, you have your account right here. It's connected to Mintoon, it's connected to an email, it's connected to your TikTok account and whatever. Okay, you cannot use them. You'll have to use, or you'll have to make another account by using a different email. So just tap on switch right here. Maybe I would go ahead and tap on Google. So right here in this account, all my Facebooks is connected. So I'm going to go ahead and switch on another account. And then maybe I'm going to tap on Google, or you go ahead and use another Facebook account if you want to. Now I'm going to go ahead and select from one of these accounts right here. So it may say failed to switch because this account is not connected to any game data. Now here we have the second option. Okay, we'll have to create or play through that account first before we could go ahead and switch. So here comes the second option. So let's just go ahead and go back, close the game. And once closed, go ahead and tap and hold onto it. Tap on the information icon. And then go ahead and go to storage, clear cache, clear data, delete. Now for iOS users, you could just go ahead and offload the app, okay? So once that's done, so once you have cleared the Mobile Legends cache or data, or even offloaded it, you can now go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and go to the top right, tap on your profile, and then switch account from here. So why do we need to change our account from Play Store or App Store? Mobile Legends right here logs us back in, or logs our old account back in, because the game data is saved to your Google Play Games or Apple Game Center. And again, so you'll have to change your Google Play Store or Apple Game Center account, or even your Facebook account, okay, if you're currently using your Facebook as your Mobile Legends account. So go ahead and switch account. Also for Facebook, switch your Facebook account right here. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and tap on play and you'll start fresh. And after the walkthrough of the game, you can now go ahead and link the new account to a new email or new Facebook. And there you have it. That is how you create another account in Mobile Legends. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.